Hello everyone, good morning. Today, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sofyan Yunan Yusuf. I am from Marine Mechanical Engineering Technology Department Delta 60 batch. I am standing here. I want to explain about how to work 4-stroke diesel engine. What the meaning of 4-stroke diesel engine? 4-stroke diesel engine is diesel engine has 4 stroke of piston, 2 cycle of crankshaft, and produce 1 power. Okay, let's we enter to the first step, that is suction stroke. In suction stroke, the piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center by the pressure of air starting spin the crankshaft, and intake valve opens at 25 degree before top dead center and exhaust valve close at 20 degree before 20 degree after top dead center, and the air enter to the cylinder liner by the by the movement of piston from top dead center to bottom dead center. The air enter to intake valve, and now the piston at bottom dead center and prepare to continue the next step. Second, we have compression stroke. In this cycle, intake valve close at 30 degree before bottom dead center, and the piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center with compress the air until the pressure 40 bar and the temperature will be 400 degrees Celsius. When the piston near at 10 degree before top dead center, the injector will spray the fuel oil for early burning, and it happens explosion in combustion chamber. And the third, we have power stroke. After compression stroke, in the cylinder liner has explosion. After that, it pushes the piston from top dead center to bottom dead center, so that the explosion will continue to the crankshaft and it will continue to the propeller. In the cycle, both of the valves are closed, and when the piston near at 40 degree before bottom dead center, exhaust valve open it little for prepare the next suction. Okay, so we have the last suction, that is exhaust stroke. Firstly, in this stroke, both of the valves are closed. When the piston near at 40 degree before bottom dead center, the exhaust valve starts to open, followed by the initial exhaust to release the remaining combustion gas. Then the piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center with push the remaining combustion gas and release it to exhaust valve. This gas must release it completely, because if not, it will disturb the next burning. Then this is the end of the cycle, and the cycle will return to suction stroke. And that's all the explanation about how to work 4-stroke diesel engine. Thank you very much and see you next time. Assalamualaikum.